Wouldn't you love to freeze a corrupt dealer finance manager? Hey everybody, Kevin Hunter here from the Homework Guy Show. Today I'm giving you a rapid-fire list of the most powerful questions you can ask inside the dealer finance office. Questions that make finance managers freeze, stall, or start turning red in the face. We will put all of this on our website, thehomeworkguy.com, in a free downloadable PDF. Let's get right to it. At number 1, is that the buy rate or the sell rate? This is the number one freeze rate question. The buy rate is the bank's real approved rate. The sell rate is the inflated rate they marked up to make back-end profit. If they dodge this question, you've already got your answer. At number 2, can you show me the lender's approval sheet with the actual buy rate? If they truly got you approved at that rate, they can show you the sheet. If they marked you up 2 to 3 points, they'll suddenly become very allergic to paper. Rate markup alone is often $600 to $2,500 in hidden profit. These two questions wipe that out. At number 3, can you break down this payment into principal, interest, and products? This exposes payment packing. When they slip in GAP, wheel and tire protection, a service plan into your payment without saying a word, if they can't break it down quickly and clearly, there's something in there they don't want you to see. At number 4, can you print me the itemized OTD sheet you used for these numbers? Not a handwritten note, not a trust me statement. A printed out-the-door sheet forces them to reveal the fees, the add-ons, dealer packages, real selling price, and the real payment structure. When everything's on paper, the games stop. At number 5, are all of these products completely optional? By law, every product must be optional. If they say the bank requires it, or it's already installed, or you have to buy this to get the rate, they've just admitted to an illegal tying arrangement. This question shuts down 90% of the nonsense immediately. At number 6, if I decline everything, what is my payment now? This reveals exactly how much junk they stuffed into your contract. If your payment suddenly drops $70 to $120 a month, now you know why they didn't want you to ask. At number 7, can I see the actual service contract, not the brochure? Brochures are sales tools. Contracts are the truth. The real contract shows what's not covered, the exclusions, deductibles, reasons claims are denied. Once people see the real document, most people say no thanks. And there's a reason dealers hate this question so much. At number 8, can I shop GAP insurance through my own insurance company? Dealer GAP is often double the price you can get it anywhere else. Your own insurance or credit union may offer it for $4 to $7 a month. Ooh, finance managers really hate when you know this. At number 9, is there anything in this contract that increases my payment but doesn't increase the value of my car? A brutal truth bomb. Most finance products don't add 1 penny of value to the vehicle itself. Just do a book out and you'll find out for yourself. Ask this and watch them almost shit themselves in their chair. At number 10, can I review the contract privately before anything is printed? Once the printer starts rolling, the pressure begins. Asking to review everything early removes the time pressure and exposes any surprises before they get embedded into the final paperwork. If they refuse, it's your time to walk. At number 11, did you apply my rebate before calculating the payment? Hard to believe, but yes, dealers sometimes forget, but it's forgetfulness that always benefits them. This forces them to use the rebate correctly. At number 12, can you show me the total cost of the loan, including interest? Forget about the payment. Forget the APR. The total repayment amount is the real story. Seeing that number changes decisions fast. At number 13, the final boss question. How much of my first payment goes towards principal? If they inflated the rate or loaded your contract with junk, the principal portion of your payment will be tiny. This question exposes the entire loan structure in one shot. There you go, the condensed high-impact list of the finance office questions that stop the games cold. Use these and you'll avoid thousands in hidden profit traps dealers rely on every single day. For your convenience, a free downloadable PDF of all of these questions is on our website, thehomeworkguy.com. If you'd rather skip the car buying circus entirely, check out our Homework Guy car buying service, where we do everything so you don't have to. We get all the OTD quotes. We do all the negotiations. Follow us on TikTok at The Homework Guy Auto, or check us out on YouTube. And thanks for watching. I'm Kevin Hunter. I'll see you on the next video.